Don't make a tiny woman angry. This is what this look is saying. I'm definitely in love with Ana Luisa's earring. Thank you so much, guys, for sending me. I wouldn't have thought that the Julie would look so good on me. Ana Luisa New York's Julie is giving me beauty. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Sarah Up and welcome back to Sarah Up TV. And in today's video, I'm going to show you 3 different sleek hairstyles to show off your Julie. Inspiration source for this was Ana Luisa New York. They reached out to me and asked for a collab, and after I chose my 3 favorite pieces, I was immediately inspired to create matching hairstyles, of course. Ana Luisa New York is an everyday luxury jewelry brand that focuses on sustainability. All their materials are recycled metals and ethically sourced. Their designs are timeless and you can combine the pieces easily to your everyday looks, which ultimately up-level your overall style, in my opinion. I mean, please attention to these details. They're so cute and minimalistic at the same time. You should definitely check out Ana Luisa New York because at the moment they have their Valentine's Day sale, which means you can get matching jewelry with your bestie, because if you buy one, the second piece you buy is now 50% off. And if you see this after the sale has ended, you can use my code SarahUp20 to get extra 20% off. So let's go on with the video. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe my channel, follow me on my socials, and let's hop right into the tutorial. The reason why I choose sleek hairstyles to emphasize your Julie is because I think it's edgy and it's bold. And of course it's shiny. This contemplates the shine of your Julie. So I thought this might be a great combination. And I also wanted to combine the sleek hairstyle with a little bit sculptured hairstyle look. So yeah, let's start. The main tools that I'm going to use for these hairstyles: brushes, comb, and a usual brush. Got to be hairspray, the main essential for actually every kind of hairstylist. I'm using this product actually for all my hairstyles. Hair gel, hair mist, Kevin Murphy, shimmer and shine. So our hair will shine as much as our earrings. Let's go. Okay, this one is inspired by editorial shoot of Dazed Korea, I guess. I can't show you the picture because of legal reasons. And secure it so it's not in the way while we're doing the rest of this hairstyle. Straight middle part. The first hairstyle I'm going to do is actually just a straight bun, like this. And then we are going to spike it up. And the spikes, I'm going to sculpture them. But I've never done this kind of hairstyles before, but I wanted to try them. First, let's wet my hair. I'm going to take 2 elastics just to be double secure because I have a little thick hair. So, and I'm trying to have it as tight as possible. I'm so happy, by the way, that my hair is actually finally that long that I am able to do ponytails. I think I have to get another brush that is especially good for sleek hairstyles. Wait a minute. So this is the brush I'm talking about. Look. Because it flattens, it really flattens. Can you tell the difference by using this brush? I mean, look at the surface, it's so even right now. I'm going to add some. It's an extra hairspray to have this shiny effect. Okay, I'm going to wet this actually as much as I can. And now I'm going to add some hair gel so I'm able to sculpt like this amount. Just putting it in. So now I'm going to do it in a bun. And I'm going to try to sculpture these up to have them extra spiky. Wow, this is it's cool already. This is cool already, guys. Look at this. Yeah. Ooh, this looks wow. I'm only doing it spiky on this side. So, and if you're in a hurry, just use a hairdryer to dry all of this. Now we're here at the front part. And it's actually almost done. We are done. So what do you think? So the next look is definitely more Asia inspired, and this is because I'm also going to change my jewelry. by Ana Luisa. So, and these are the next one. Look at these. I love them. They remind me actually of Asian porcelain art. I'm going to wash my hair a little bit. So now I've wetted completely my hair because our next hairstyle is a high bun, but also with a sculpted twist. It reminds me Asian ninja hairstyle because of the earrings. Let's do the high bun. I'm going to do the high bun in the middle on right here. For that I'm brushing my wet hair up. If you have a wet base, slick hairstyles are so easy to do, as you can see. And I like the fact that the buns are super tight, so this always gives you a natural lifting to your eyes. Oh. Ah. Okay. I have to put the camera a little bit higher so you can see what I'm doing with the bun up here. So I'm wrapping it around like this and secure it with one elastic. I haven't tried this hairstyle before, so this is also a new experience for me. Oh, like this. And I'm gonna try to fix this hair to the side like this. Oh, this looks so cool! Oh my fucking god, I love it! And of course we are going to grab our gel. Lots of gel, so we can have it standing up like this. Oh yeah, this one is cool. This one is so cool. Or maybe we do it like spikes like this. Man, I'm so cool. This one is also so creative. It's definitely not the usual hairstyle you would wear. This hairstyle is definitely it. Oh my god. But do you get my intention with this look? Do you see what I'm saying with this ninja inspired hairstyle because of the pattern of the earrings? So let's hop on to the next look, or to our next earrings. Let me show you. And the last earrings I'm going to create a hairstyle for are these ones. I mean, these earrings also suits great to this hairstyle. Ana Luisa New York's Julie is giving me beauty. Okay, let's get off of these. Ooh, my hair's still wet, so I hope I can do something good now. And I don't need to wash them again. For this look, I need to get my fake hair because I want to have a long ponytail for this one. These are not real hair, they are fake hair, but you don't see it. This is what I love about it, because some people are getting angry if I use real hair. So next one is also very easy and quite fast, but for this one I need my middle part. Is this still possible? Yeah, it is. So I need my middle part. Now let me brush my hair a little bit. Oh guys, I'm definitely in love with Ana Luisa's earring. Thank you so much guys for sending me. I wouldn't have thought that Julie would look so good on me. This is just wet hair with lots of gel, lots of hairspray and lots of water in it, and suits perfectly. Suits so perfect. Wow. So this is the third one that wasn't even planned. This is so cool. So let's keep on with my plan. For the next hairstyle, inspired by the shape of these earrings. So let's go on getting our middle part, brush it in place for a low ponytail in the neck. And again, as always, double elastics. So I'm gonna do my ponytail down. For a low ponytail like this, I'm going to do it up here. All this product in my hair is actually helping me very much. Getting my hairpiece. Like this. Ooh, look, this is giving direct different energy. Wow. This is the length. Goes down to my hip. Actually, and I want to keep it straight because I think in this case it's very elegant. Great, exactly what I wanted. And we're not going to leave it like that. I choose to do baby hair with my lash brush. Use lash brush for baby hair. Yep. And do it a little bit wavy, because I think this is just, it might look like just a small thing to do, but I think it's actually a huge difference. Seems like only a detail, but I think in styling it really depends on the details. It's so quick and fast. Wow. So, and here we are. That's it. Already done. Now I think it's time to use some hair mist to have a shiny head. And here we are. I mean, this hairstyle only took me, I don't know, 5 minutes. I feel amazing with this hairstyle. And I hope you get inspired to recreate and feel the same. So, and we're already at the end. I'm kind of sad, but I'm happy you made it till the end. If you did it until the end, I thank you so much. I hope you got lots of inspiration, motivation as always. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed my video. Make sure to subscribe my channel and follow me on my socials. I have them linked all down below. And don't forget to check out the link in my description box and get yourself and your BFF some jewelry, because they have a special sale at the moment. Means the second jewelry you buy is 50% off. So, and if you see this after the Valentine's sale, you can use my code SarahUp20 to get 20% off. So I hope you enjoyed my video. See you next time.